Hello everyone, welcome to another cracking formulas, and today we're going to learn about the trigonometry table. You might have saw this on your high school, and maybe you will wonder like why the sine of 30 is equal to 1 half, or why the cosine of 16 is equal to 1 half, or why the tangent of 45 is equal to 1. So first we have to identify these new elements here. So sine, cosine, and tangent are mathematical elements that relates angles with sides in every right triangle. So first, sine relates the opposite side with the angle proposed divided by the hypotenuse of the right triangle. The cosine of the angle relates the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse of the right triangle, and the tangent relates the opposite side divided by the adjacent side of the angle. So let's prove it now. We get here squared with side 8 with side 1 with the diagonal that forms two right triangles, one here, two, and so we get one triangle here with side 1, 1, 1, and we can call the diagonal x. So let's get with the Pythagorean theorem. So x squared is equal to 1 squared plus 1 squared. X squared is equal to 2. X so is equal to 2 square root. Okay, so the diagonal of the square is square root of 2. So this angle is 45 degrees, and this is 45 degrees too. So we just can't, and in this case we just can't to prove the 45 angles of sine, cosine, and tangent. So let's do this. The sine of 45, let's get this angle right here. The sine is equal to 1 divided by square root of 2. We can multiply by 1 is exactly 1, and we get square root of 2 is equal to 2, and we can verify in the table, and that's right. So let's get with the cosine 45. Let's get this angle again. Cosine is also 1 divided by square root of 2. It's gonna be the same. 2 square root of 2 divided by 2. You can verify if this is true. Yes, it's true. And last, the tangent of 45. Let's get this angle again right here. So the tangent of 45 is equal 1 divided by 1, and we get 1. We can verify, and this is all true. So let's get with the 30 degrees and the 16 degrees. With this equilateral triangle here down below, we can divide these sides here. So we get an equilateral triangle with all the three angles 16 and the side 2. We can trace a height here, and let me verify this triangle right here. I just want to draw this. It's gonna be third because it divides the angle in two equal sides. This is gonna be 16, 19. The angle is remain right triangle. This side is gonna be equal to 1. This is gonna be the height of the triangle, and this side is gonna be 2. So let's discover what's the height of the triangle. So we get the Pythagorean theorem again. So 2 squared is equal to 1 squared plus h squared. 4 is equal to 1 plus h squared. H squared is equal to 3, and h is equal to square root of 3. So we're gonna do, let me get some space here. The height, so is square root of 3, and we get sine of 30 is equal to, let's get this angle, opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. It's exactly 1/2. So let's verify this. It's actually true. So let's get with the cosine here. Cosine of 30 is equal to adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse, or square root of 3 divided by 2, the hypotenuse. Let's verify if this is correct. Yeah, this is correct again. And the tangent of 30 is equal to the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. So 1 divided by the square root of 3. We can multiply this by 1. It's gonna be square root of 3 divided by 3. It's gonna be, let's verify this. Yeah, it's true. And finally we get this on the angle of 16. So let's get space here. So the sine of 16, let's get this angle here, the opposite angle divided by the hypotenuse. So square root of 3 divided by 2, and we get the sine of 16. The cosine now, the cosine of 16 is equal to the adjacent side, 1 divided by the hypotenuse, 1/2. Yeah, it's correct. And finally the tangent of 16 is the opposite side, square root of 3 divided by 1. It's just square root of 3. So let's verify this. Yeah, that's correct. So if you like this video, please subscribe, and see you soon.